Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. We are getting ready to start a roof in another one of our favorite neighborhoods. Taking care of most of the houses on this street. It's around a 50 square roof. Some steep pitches on it, some not. Straight gable, pretty easy to work on. Guys will be here any minute. We're installing Timberline HDs by GAF simply because we could not get the green that the customer wanted in certain teed landmarks. Timberline's a great shingle, we're just not the shingle that we install, but still a good product. We'll do our usual system, another quality roof. Get the drone up in a few minutes once the crew gets here and show you what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Call us if you've got any kind of roof work.